when we're talking about the least common multiple, there's nothing that restricts us to just the least common multiple of 2 numbers. We can do the least common multiple of 3 numbers just as easily. We'll start off by figuring out the prime factorization of each of these. 4 is 2 times 2, 10 is 2 times 5, and 15 is 3 times 5. Alright, so my least common multiple, I'm going to look through each of these prime numbers, these prime factors, and say how many are going to be needed. For 2's, this one says we need at least 2 2's, this one says we need at least 1, this one says we don't necessarily need any. If I want to make all of those happy, I want to go with the strongest requirement, which is this one up here, which says I need 2 2's. I need, looks like 1 3, and I need 1 5. So this one said I needed a 3, it's the only one that chimed in about 3's. These both said I need at least 1 5, so I have that 5. 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 is, let's see, this is 10, this is 6, 6 times 10 is 60. So we have 10 times 6, which is 60. Alright, 12 is 2 times 2 times 3, 15 is 3 times 5, and 21 is 3 times 7. I apologize if I'm going a little bit fast for finding the prime factorizations, but we've seen a number of these already. I've kind of assumed that you can do these by this point. So the least common multiple here, I'll look through the 2's. This one says I need 2 2's, and the other 2 don't care. This one says I need a 3, this one says I need a 3, this one says I need a 3, so they're all happy if I have exactly 1 3. This one says I need a 5, and this one says I need a 7. It looks like, yep, that's everything. And this one, let's see, there's a 10. Oh, I'll include that 3 there, so that's 30. And here we get a 14, so 30 times 14. 30 times 14 gives me 420. So the least common multiple of those 3 numbers is 420. Let's see, if we have 4, which is 2 times 2, 8, which is 2 times 2 times 2, and 12, which is 2 times 2 times 3. My least common multiple here, look through the 2's. This one says I need 3 2's, and that's my strongest requirement. This one says I need a 3, and that's everything, so my least common multiple here is 24. Actually, I could have noticed that 8 is a multiple of 4 already, so every single multiple of 8 is also going to be a multiple of 4. I could essentially just have ignored the fact that the 4 was there, but I kind of actually, you kind of actually do, just because there's 3 factors of 2 compared to the 2 factors of 2. It doesn't really, doesn't end up adding anything there. If we want to find the least common multiple of 4, 5, and 6, 4 is 2 times 2, 5 is prime, and 6 is 2 times 3. So my least common multiple needs 2 2's, because that one says we need 2 2's. This one says we only need 1. We make it happy if we have 2. We need 1 3 and 1 5. 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 is 6 times 10. That's 6, that's 10, which is 60.